Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all who are watching, subscribing, and supporting our one and only YouTube channel, WordPress Beginner Hacks. You can learn a lot of cool tricks for WordPress and SEO by watching and subscribing our interactive tutorials. Today, we are going to unveil an easy hack which can save you a lot of money. Yes, this is correct. You can save a lot of money by following this easy trick. Image cropping and photoshopping, as you all know, is one of the biggest hurdles for businesses, especially when you are running an e-commerce store where you have to upload thousands of products each month. So we all know that an image that is not cropped or photoshopped properly don't look professional at all and never attracted an audience for its sakes. So we are going to solve this mystery, especially for e-commerce store owners and the business owners who are running or uploading their products on daily basis. Products can be anyone. With this trick, they can literally crop hundreds of images in minutes. Yes, you just need to watch this video and you can see that this is a simple hack that can be done like this. But before I move forward, you need to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that all my future recordings can reach to you instantly. Yes, do that now because you are going to save a lot of money with this super duper easy hack. You can see I have already downloaded some product images and photographs to show you and save your time. And now you simply need to open www.remove.bg. This is an online tool where you can upload an image and you can simply make it a PNG or an image with a transparent background. I will show you how to do that, and this is like super duper easy. Just look over here. I'm going to drag an image and drop it over here. Now it's going to process the image and it will make a PNG once it is uploaded. Yes, you can see that. And this tool is totally free. You can simply download it and it will be always 612 into 408 pixels, which is always good for an e-commerce product store because there you need 500 by 500 images and this is 612 by 408. But if you still need high resolution images, you can buy their credits. Their pricing is like very economical. They like charge you 0.12 cents, like 12 cents for each image properly cropped and within the quality that you need for an e-commerce store. If you like this video, if you like this hack, do give us a subscribe and support our channel so that we can continuously send you such videos to save your money, time, and effort. Have a nice day. Bye bye.